What's up, guys? I'm finally back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm do the viral 3D gel flower. Honestly, guys, you can do this however you feel comfortable as far as how you want it to look, but this was just me showing you how to do a basic flower that's still going to come out and look beautiful. So first you're going to need the 3D gel. It needs to look like this gel. It needs to be firm for you to be able to play with it and mold it and stuff like that. Not the regular 3D gel that you would use to adhere stones and charms and stuff like that. You're gonna need the little pencil, the little thing with it to press it, and that's pretty much all you need. And then whatever like little colors and beads or whatever else you want to do with it. First, you're gonna want to make little balls, just like I did on there. Put them on a nail, and that's gonna be the base of how you're gonna mold it. You're gonna put the balls exactly where you want the petals to lay, and you're gonna want to make them a good size to where if you want a big flower or small flower, you're gonna need to adjust the gel in between that. Once you got them down, you just mold them with the little thing that I'm using, and you can just mold them however you want to. You can do them as plain or more detailed as you want them, but just remember to push it down and just play with it and have fun with it however you want. It's really no right or wrong way to do the 3D flowers. Whatever is your client or your liking, it should be fine. After you press it down and get the gel form to how you want to, you're gonna want to put that in the light and cure it for at least 60 seconds. After that, then you can just go in with the design and do whatever you wanted to do. I went with something plain, like just some white gel, and then I kind of went in with a little pink and yellow design, and then I put some little gold beads on there. But I've seen people do airbrush and kind of like blended them together, just different things. So you can just do it however you want to, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do a basic 3D gel flower. I hope this helps anyone who has been struggling, or you just seen them and would want to learn how to do them. It's really easy, nothing to it. So that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.